What is NFT? NFTs or non-fungible tokens are one-of-a-kind digital assets and like other cryptocurrencies can be stored on blockchain and transferred. The difference is NFTs have different prices, so they are not mutually interchangeable. For example, you can't exchange a Persian handmade carpet with a normal carpet just because they both are carpets. NFT have two main pros. First one is true ownership or being decentralized. It means blockchain technology gives true ownership to users using data distribution and encryption. Second one is you can trade them or transfer on digital wallets. NFT market still is tiny and it's mainly used for PC games, digital arts, and selling domain names. These tokens have three important features. First of all, they are unique. Each one of them have unique value and features. Second one is being rare. In as much as just one token for some NFTs has been made. Third and last, they're indivisible. It means you must buy or sell it whole. Now, how you can buy NFTs? For that, you need to go to the desired project website and install their own wallet. After depositing Ethereum or other tokens in your wallet, buy that NFT you wanted. Produced in Rasanet Studio.